Hey, Junior. Look at you. Look at you. You love when to sit around with Grandpa. My little Freind buddy cat. Yeah, he just like to hang in there. Look at him. Still act the same way. Junior the Cat. My little buddy. Yeah, all the cats, I just like to joke around with cats, you know. But the last channel I did, and the first cat, his name was Paul. He was a nice looking cat, though. He decided he wanted to get out the house, but this one, he's special. I love kittens. I like all type of animals. That's why I don't like alligators. I don't like snakes. I love fishes, but I love animals though. He like that. When he sees I'm master too around here, but look at him. He wants to fight. Come on, boo. Come on, let's fight. I ain't hurting him. He just like to play. Come here. Give me five. Give me five. Oh, you want to lay on my hand? See that? See that? Son, you something else, man. You something else. Do like this. Yeah, little kitten. My name is Fred. I'm the used to be a part-time DJ on the radio. That WCHB was. I would love one day return back in the airways, and right now I'm just taking some time off with just vaccine stuff going on. But people around here just I don't know what's going on in the world. I know I didn't say just, but this guy just like to chill out sometimes. But I really want to talk to you people. Please be very careful if you're getting the vaccine, because I don't know. It just I don't want to really talk about it at this moment, but me and Junior's channel for the day. But we're talking on another time when you see me in person. Look at my man. Look at my baby boy. He's a good cat, though. He's not bad. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you want to see your foot? Come on, Junior. Come on, buddy. He's a good cat. But sometimes he get a little hard-headed. You got to tell him to do this. You got to tell him to do that. You got to tell him to do this and all that. Shoot, Junior. But in a minute, I'm going to have my own channel. I'm setting up soon. So it being my partner, we're going to be doing a lot of events together. And we finna start our own little DJ company. And hope everything like the pandemic and all that. And just want to subscribe. You just hit that button down there. Tell me how you like it. But I'm going to have more shows coming up. And showing you other places like lights and stuff. You know, the Christmas lights. Basically, I did some on that about the Christmas lights, and that went very well though. So hopefully you can see it. It's a fast storm, but Christmas lights. I just like to take pictures, and I like colorful things. And this guy right here. And hope everything be okay. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's to everyone. Just be safe, people. I don't know what's going on, but love your family. Tell them how much you love you, because you don't know when your time is up. And just pray to God. and just keep your spiritual high. Don't try to be stressed out over the TV. Just put you some music on. And I wish, like I said, I wish I was back on the radio. I would at least try to bring back Sunday Night Sagway and the Back Jam Party, sponsored by, hosted by me and me and my company, me and the company. And with a lot of joking and, just hit me online what you think about this. Describe what always from your heart. Just keep the Lord safe. And just automatic, just, hey man, you just like looking. This is your day. It's your day today. See? Come on, man. He just like to be rubbed. He like to be rubbed. I give my a bath all the time. I give him like once a week. He don't go outside. It's not a bad look at him. He just like to be rubbed. Rub all the time. That boy so nice. So just keep in motion, There you go. You alright? Yeah. There you go. So what you gonna tell me about your son? Huh? You gonna tell me about your son? Or you just like to lay down on people? I see how you are, man. Look at him. Cat is the coolest people around here, but you know what? I'm gonna go on a cat farm with you. Look at he like that big bird. Look at he like that. Look at him. Man, got a lot of activities coming up. But like I say, so all you gotta do is just be safe, keep calm. If you like to send me a subscribe, hit that little star button. Just hit it. If you have any comments, you can make a comment on my channel, and that's what I'm gonna use. And you'll see me in person. I'm the man with the master plan. But I like to say hello to all the people out there. Say hello to you. Just be, like I said, just be safe. There's nothing out there. Keep your parents. Obey your parents. And me and Junior always got something to say, because he was like gave to us. He's a good cat. He's a good cat, but he bad though sometimes. I put him in the cage one time. He got upset about it. What you trying to do, Junior? What you trying to do, Junior? So I let him roll around. You got to have this space. See? Look at that. He like that. Look at that. Junior's something else. If I can just keep him in mind. There you go. Yeah. Catman. Yeah, looking at the football game right here. Me and Junior. Yeah. Junior a good cat though. Okay. Excuse me. Just talk show. Don't keep in mind. I just lay low. Just being extra careful and just chilling. Yep. Junior the Cat. Look at him. Wants to fight sometimes. Can't fight, man. Can't always fight all the time. So if you like to subscribe my button, have a blessed day, and keep up to watching the college football. See that college football. Yeah. What you trying to do, man? Junior, you gotta say anything to the people? You wanna say hello? You wanna say hello? You wanna say hello, Junior? You did do the tail, see? See, look at the tail. All right, Junior, your nails, man. I gotta take you to the bed. There you go, man. Junior, I want him to get real fat. And feed him like he ain't nothing. He's spoiled, though. But, Junior, I'll talk to you later. Say hello to everybody. You too. 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 You the man of the hour. You. Oh, yeah. Okay. You're the man, Junior. You like to be rubbed. Hey, man, you can't lay on that crotch right there, man. Okay, Junior. What you got to say? Stay. Stay. Stay, Junior. Finna come down. Junior want to tell everybody to be good? He can put on his Christmas stuff. It's his first Christmas. But have a blessed day. But look at my cat. Junior. This is the Junior show. Watch you climb up. Come on. Come on. Sometimes I don't let him do that because... There you go, buddy. Okay. Thanks for checking me out. Subscribe the button. Hit that button.